Hi everyone, I'm Zubair. Today we will learn how to use voice typing in Microsoft Word as well as in Google Docs. Let's have a look. Once you open your Microsoft Word, you will find the dictate button most of the time here and make sure you are connected to internet and you are online. Okay, let's go to dictate. Dictate help you to get your content in Microsoft Word and it also help you to capture your notes and get everything easily into your Word document. Period. Okay. In order to find the dictate button into Microsoft Word, when you open a new or existing document, just go to Home and you will find the dictate button here. Or you can press the shortcut key Alt plus backtick. Now, once the dictate button is turned on and you will find the dictate option here, you can turn it off and on. So let me turn it on and speak something. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Period. That's great. Dictation is also available on the web version of Microsoft 365. Also, dictation have some of the settings here. You can go to by dictation settings. In the setting option, the first thing you can change is the language. The second option you can update is the microphone. As I have only one microphone and that is showing here, so it's selected by default. In enable auto punctuation, you can enable it that will auto punctuate. So if you don't want your auto punctuation for your sentences, you can turn it off as well. The last setting we have filter sensitive phrases in your documents. You can turn it off or on according to your requirement. So let's save this setting. In addition to dictate your content, you could also add punctuations and could also add special commands. Let's take a look. Some helpful phrases include new line, new line, pause dictation. Some examples of punctuations include next line, question mark, period, open quotes, close quotes, delete. Saying delete itself remove the last word or the punctuation. Delete, 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 new line. If you wanna remove the whole sentence, you can say delete that. It will remove the last spoken utterance. You can also make the word format bold, italic, or underline. Let's try that. How are you? Bold you. That's great. You can also see the transcribe button right under the dictation option here. So in the transcribe option, you can upload audio here or you can start recording here. And if more than one person is doing a recording, it will also detect more than two voices and give you a recording. So for testing purpose, let's go and start recording here. Hi Angela, how are you doing today? What are your priority tasks for the day? Let's save and transcribe now. It's uploading to OneDrive and this may take a while. Okay. If you can see here, there is only speaker one as I am only the person speaking here. If there are more than one person, this must be showing speaker one, speaker two, the person name here. Let's hear that. You can also change the name of the speaker here, and so change the speaker name, and you can also add this transcribe to your document in the form of just text or with the speaker name or with timestamp or both with speaker and timestamp. So let's try both with speakers and timestamp. Okay, this is the recording added to my Word file and with the speaker and timestamp here. Interesting. If you still want to edit any of the line here in the document or any speaker here, you can still do that. Just go to this line and you can edit speaker and both speaker and the text. What are your priority tasks for the day? And let's see. Here you go. And what about tomorrow? Is added there. The next simple and important feature I want to show you in the word is text to speech. You can go to text to speech pressing Control, Alt and Space bar on your keyboard. If you want any document, if you want to listen any document, what's written on the document or for multitasking or preparing for the speech, this option will be perfect for you. I want to listen this text, a quick promo for jumps over the lazy dog, and here I get option when I press space, control alt and delete. I'm getting this option, and when I'm pressing again this option is disappearing. So let's hear this. Great. Here are some options. You can reduce or increase the speed of speaking, and you can also change the option from here male female. So let's check it with the male with little higher speed. Okay, that's great. So now let's move to Google Docs and see how we can use voice typing into Google Docs. I will use the web version of Google Docs here to explain you. You can go to docs.google.com on the web, and in the tools you can find voice typing here, and the shortcut to voice typing is Control Shift and S. In Google Docs, you also have a different languages here. So let's click to speak something. Let's allow access to microphone. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. While using Google Voice Typing or Microsoft Word Voice Typing, make sure that you have good and reliable internet and you don't have any background noise. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. I hope you enjoyed this basic tutorial for Google Docs and Microsoft Word Voice Typing. Thanks for your time. Bye.